What I understand about the chakra system is that there's levels of again, for the Sufi aspect, there's levels of human being, and these are centered in places within our body. So the base of ourselves is located at the lower chakra in this region, and then there are higher levels till we get to the heart level. And then so the lower aspects are below the heart chakra, and the higher aspects are from the fourth chakra, which is the heart, on up to our seventh chakra, which is the highest form of our being. I want to come to know more about the chakra system. I'm not an expert, to say the least, but I understand these things as being physically located within the body, energetically located within the body, and then outside of the body, dealing with elements, colors, ranges of sound. These things are all connected, and this is something I hope to spend more time with, studying that particular system. But I do know that there is a reflection of the chakra system in the Sufi path.